Good morning, student. Welcome to the lecture of emerging trades in a mechanical engineering. Already we have started a discussion on unit number 5, that is agriculture equipments and post harvesting technology. The course outcome related to this unit is select the recent agriculture equipments for post harvesting. For better understanding, the unit outcome is explain the working of post harvesting equipments.
The different post harvesting operations are harvesting, transportation, threshing, drying, cleaning and storage. So what is means by harvesting? So it is the operation of cutting, picking, plucking and digging, or a combination of these operations for removing the crop from under the ground or above the ground, or removing the useful part of fruits from plants. Harvesting action can be done by 4 ways. By slicing action with a sharp tool, by tearing action with a rough serrated edge, by high velocity single element impact with sharp or dull edge, by 2 element scissors type action. So harvesting can be done manually operated tool or animal drawn machine, or by mechanically operated. Manual harvesting. So manual harvesting involves slicing and tearing action. Sickle is the most widely used harvesting tool for various crops. Sickle used may be plain or serrated edge, and both types are found effective in cutting plants. Animal drawn reaper, or it is also called as the animal drawn harvesting. It consists of a cutter bar of 1.05 meter length. The power to drive the knife bar is given from the ground wheel by means of gearbox, crank and connecting rod mechanism. As the machine is pulled forward by a pair of bullocks, a reciprocating motion is imparted to the knife bar with a peak cutting velocity of about 100 meter per minute. The crop is cut due to shearing action. Combined harvester. It is a machine which is designed for harvesting, threshing, separating, cleaning and collecting grains while moving through standing crops. Bagging arrangement may be provided with a pickup attachment. The main functions of a combined harvester are cutting the standing crops, feeding the cut crops to threshing unit, threshing the crops, cleaning the grains from straw and collecting the grains in a container. Mechanical operated reaper and self-propelled reaper are also used in harvesting. Threshing. Threshing is a method used to separate the grains from the harvested crop and provide clean grain without much loss and the damage. Threshing operation is to be done by traditional methods or by threshing machine, and this is nothing but the traditional method. So threshing wheat by traditional method involves drudgery and takes more time to obtain required quality of bhusa. Due to this, mechanical threshers are widely accepted by the farmers. So this is a thresher machine and its different parts. A thresher machine or a thresher is a piece of farm equipment that threshes grains. That is, it removes the seeds from the stalk and hucks. It does so by beating the plant to make the seeds fall out. So this is the working principle of this thresher. The next operation is drying. After threshing, the moisture content of most of the grain is too high for good conservation, and it is about 13 to 14%. Drying is the phase of the post-harvest system during which the product is rapidly dried until it reaches the safe moisture level. The aim of this desiccation is to lower the moisture content in order to guarantee conditions favorable for storage or for further processing of the product. After threshing, the straw, chaff, immature grain, sand, stones and other substances are separated from the grain by sieving, winnowing and hand picking. This is to be done by traditional method or by machine which is called winnower. Storage. Storage means the phase of the post-harvest system during which the products are kept in such a way that to guaranteed food security other than during periods of agriculture production. The main objective of storage can be summed up as follows. At the food level, to permit deferred use of the agriculture products harvested. At the agriculture level, to ensure the availability of seeds for the crop cycle to come. At the agro-industry level, to guarantee regular and continuous supplies of raw material for producing industries. At marketing level, to balance the supply and demand of agricultural product, thereby stabilizing the market prices. We will summarize here. In this video, we learnt about working of post-harvesting operations and equipments required for this, like harvesting, types of harvesting and equipments used in harvesting. Then threshing and equipment used in threshing operation, drying and cleaning of grains and storage of grains. Thank you very much.